Unboxing time! Dumating na din ang in-order kong Gabor Air Fryer. At masasabi kong worth to buy talaga ito dahil energy saving plus very easy to use at i-assemble. Kinagandahan kay Gabor, convenient way to enjoy meals with less oil kaya much healthier. At no need na rin ng oil pag nagluto dito. Plus, no need to flip the food while frying dahil ito ay 360-degree hot air circulation. Mas easy makaluto at dahil dyan, energy saving na rin ito. May 8% cooking function, kayang-kaya makaluto ng 1 whole chicken dahil ito ay 4 liters capacity. Plus, food grade non-stick coating ito kaya mas easy to clean, mas madali linisin at i-maintain. Kinagandahan din kay Gabor ay automatic power shutdown memory, double safety at anti-scalding handle. So hindi ka mapapaso dito once inopen mo ang lulutuin mo. Kaya ano pang inaantay mo? Add to cart checkout na.